Hi, I'm Daniel Vladislavljev, IT Project Leader at WinGD. I'm responsible for different projects in WinGD involving digital transformation in our information infrastructure, including topics of security. At WinGD, we advance the decarbonization of marine transportation through sustainable energy systems using the most advanced technologies in emission reduction, fuel efficiency, hybridization, and digital optimization. With our two-stroke low-speed engines at the heart of power equation, WinGD sets the industry standard of reliability, safety, efficiency, and environmental design, backed by a global network of service and support. Headquartered in Winterthur, Switzerland, since our origin of Sulzer diesel engine business in 1893, today we are powering the transformation to a sustainable future. Cybersecurity is essential for WinGD because it protects critical infrastructure of all employees. We aim for excellence, meaning ongoing services at all times. High-tech industry like ours can be a target of ransomware attacks, distributed denial of service, phishing campaigns, threats targeting industrial control systems, which is why WinGD has been proactive in ensuring our cybersecurity infrastructure. ExeonTrace provides us with a complete visibility of our network data flows and automatically detects suspicious behavior. With ExeonTrace and its AI algorithms, we immediately identify potential cyber threats and can respond quickly and efficiently. Exeon's special network detection and response solution prevents attackers from moving undetected in our system, infiltrating the infrastructure, or bypassing existing security measures. Our security team is satisfied and can recommend Exeon.